nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. So the sum of these two types of particles gives us what is called a mass number. So the mass number is basically the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. This implies that the number of neutrons will be equal to the mass number of an atom minus the atomic number of the same atom. I hope this is clear. And the number of protons in every atom is called the atomic number. So these two kinds of numbers, the mass number and the atomic number, will be important when you talk about the periodic table, because elements or atoms in a periodic table are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number, which is the number of protons of each atom.